This here is a stretch for the hip flexors, which are these muscles on the inside of our hip here, and they bring the knee up towards the chest. And if we're sat down all day, these become short and tight, and they work antagonistically again with the glutes. So if your knee is in flexion or your hip is in flexion here, it's very hard to get your glutes to actually activate because the glutes will be on stretch. So what we want to do with this exercise is we want to activate the glutes and then move the hip into extension, which is then going to stretch off those hip flexors as well, but it also gets us activating the glutes. So the first thing we want to do is to squeeze the glutes in this position as we're stood up nice and tall, and then that's going to posteriorly tilt our pelvis slightly, and then we're just going to move forward into the hip extension here, so we can now get that stretch through. You should feel like the top of your quads and right through your hip flexors. And most importantly is to keep that glute fired up at all times. Then you're going to pause, and then we're going to repeat that through. We're going to do 5-second holds here, squeezing the glutes, and we're going to repeat that through 6 times, and then you'd use the opposite leg.